Hello guys, mo enter match of the day. Arsenal vs Crystal Palace. Today Arsenal go host Crystal Palace for Emirates Stadium. Oyamo run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Emirates, Arsenal win 2, draw 2 and lose 1. Then last season we play 0-0 for here, and the last 2 seasons na 2-9 end the game. Crystal Palace sabi how to disturb Arsenal, so this match go get as e be. Meanwhile, Arsenal don win 5 of their last 6 games at home in all competitions, so we go dey expect win today. Also, Crystal Palace dey unbeaten for their last 3 away games for Arsenal. Anytime wey dem just see Arsenal like this, dem go dey very stubborn. Dem go wan kill themselves, dem go wan die for the field. Crystal Palace win 1, draw 2 for their last 3 away games against Arsenal. So this start sef go boost their morale, go make dem know say Arsenal no dey invisible, so dem fit collect results for here. The biggest battle today na between Zaha and Tomiyasu, as I no fit wait to see wetin go happen, because you know say when Zaha face Tottenham Hotspur Emerson Royal, everybody see the way Zaha take lick the guy like sweet. So now wey be say Tottenham Hotspur suppose to buy Tomiyasu, people come talk say as dem no buy Tomiyasu, say that's why Emerson Royal come dey suffer. But now we go see our own battle between Tomiyasu and this guy. We'll see who go win. Overall, I dey predict 1-0 to Arsenal. So wetin una dey predict? Make I know una own prediction. This match na by 8 p.m. tonight they go play am, so see you then. So na so we end today's news, my dear football lovers.